In today's video, I am going to teach you how to embed Kit on Framer website. By the end, you will have a Kit form showing directly on a Framer page so visitors can subscribe without leaving your site. First, open your Kit dashboard. In the main menu, go to Grow, then click Landing Pages and Forms. This is where Kit stores the forms you have created for email sign-up, lead magnets, and other opt-ins. Next, find the specific form you want to place on your website and open it. From there, click Publish and then choose Embed. This is the option that gives you code you can paste into another website builder. When the Embed options appear, select the HTML tab. You will see a block of code that Kit generates for your form. Copy that code carefully. It is important that you copy the full snippet, because missing even a small part can keep the form from displaying correctly. Now switch over to Framer and open your Framer project. Navigate to the page where you want the form to appear, and zoom in so you can place it accurately within your layout. Go to the top left and click Insert. In the search field, type Embed. When you see the Embed component, drag it onto your canvas and drop it where you want the form to live. This creates a frame that can render custom code. With the Embed selected, look to the Properties panel on the right side. Find the HTML box in that panel. Click inside the HTML box, then paste in the Kit Embed code you copied earlier. Give Framer a moment to load the preview. After the code is in place, resize the frame on your canvas to fit the form. You can click and drag the edges of the Embed frame until the full form is visible and looks clean. This usually makes the biggest difference in how polished the final result feels. Finally, publish your site. Once it is live, visit the published page and confirm that the form displays properly and can be submitted. That covers everything you need to know.